Hi, I'm Paul from Displays to Go. I'm going to show you how to flatten transparency in a graphic file that has been saved as a press-ready PDF. Transparency in artwork is an effect where any object or image is not set at 100% opaque or solid. Common effects that apply transparency are any stylizing effects like shadows, glows, and feathering. And of course, applying transparency to any object or image from the menu. Flattening of transparencies is vitally important. Processing artwork becomes particularly complex when transparent objects and images overlap. Unpredictable results can occur. If different color modes have been used, for example, if a spot color is overlapping graphics setting CMYK, again, print results are totally unpredictable. Flattening ensures the final print output is the same as what you see on your screen. Flattening removes transparency in a file and replaces it with solid gradients, removing the possibility of this type of problem. Okay, we've got a couple of boxes created here in Illustrator. The box in the background is set as CMYK. You can see 100% cyan there, solid. And we've also set a drop shadow. Box at the front has been set as spot color Pantone Green C and has transparency applied to it because you can see through to the box in the background. So I'm going to create a press-ready PDF, which I've already done, and we'll see how we deal with this as far as flattening goes. So if I open it up in Acrobat Pro, here we are. First of all, we have to find print production. Now this can be a little bit difficult in different versions of Acrobat Pro because they change their menu system. Usually you would find it under View, then go to Tools and scroll down and you'll find print production. But this is Acrobat Pro DC, and this wasn't initially here in the default version. I actually had to add it as a custom menu item. And to do that, I went to Tools at the top of the document window here, and then you'll find all these custom items that you can add. Scroll down to Protect and Standardize, and here it is here, Production, and this is where you can add it. See, I can remove it again, and you see it disappears from the sidebar there, and if I go back here, it's not there. If I go Add, it jumps into the sidebar here, and you'll see it's back in the main menu. Now click on Print Production, and the first thing we need to have a look is in our Outlook preview, and this will tell us what separations have been set in this PDF. And you can see there are the 4 process colors there, cyan, magenta, yellow and black, but we can also see that we've got a spot color here, and that is a problem. If we try and flatten the PDF at this stage, it will fail. So your choice is either to go back to your original software you created the file in and change that spot color to CMYK and resave your press-ready PDF, or you can use a function in here, and that is Convert Colors. So if you have a look here, this is where we set up. We choose any object. We're going to choose Spot Colors. And here are the conversion attributes. We're going to convert it to US Web Coated Swap v2, which is what the PDF is set at. So I just go OK. Tells me I can't go back. Now if we go back to Outlook Preview, you'll see that the spot color has disappeared. So now we're ready to flatten. So to flatten, we go to Flatten a Preview. Just drag it in here where we can see it. Most of this you can leave as default. The only thing you probably need to change here is this area here. You can have a look at the transparent objects. It shows you in red the objects that are transparent. Remember, the cyan was solid. But then what we would choose is all affected objects. Choose Apply. Again, it tells us we can't go back. Just exit. Now save as. Let's save as, let's just put flattened after that. Now we theoretically have a flattened press ready PDF. But I want to go back to Illustrator and show you what it's actually done. So if we go back to Illustrator to have a look what's happened to this file, and I can do that very easily if I just click on Illustrator, I've got it reopened back here. The file doesn't look really much different, except if you select the objects. This was initially just 2 boxes. Now if I select this box, you'll see that it's not transparent anymore. It's a solid box. And if you select the shadow here, you'll find it's not transparent. It's a solid gradient. So all the transparency has been removed and everything has been turned into solid gradients, and that is flattening a PDF file. And this makes it much safer for print production. And that's all there is to it. Thank you very much.